hurricane in Turkey. Strong winds hit several cities in Turkey. Hatay and Osmaniye were the most affected by the violence of the elements. 2 people were killed after a roof collapsed due to hurricane-force winds in the province of Dertyol. Dozens of fallen trees, torn roofs from buildings, fallen power lines have already been noted. The authorities are already engaged in eliminating the violence of the elements. Some districts remain without power supply. Several regions of Queensland and Australia were underwater after a stormy night with heavy rain and thunderstorms. As predicted by meteorologists, heavy rainfall is not leaving the region. A severe weather warning is currently in effect from Bundaberg to the northern Gold Coast due to flash floods. According to local media reports, 11 inches of rain fell in 24 hours. A terrible tragedy occurred on one of the coasts of Chile. On the small peninsula of Cayamo, thousands of dead fish were washed up on the coastline. A scary carpet of dead sardines and anchovies covered one of the local beaches, turning the local landscape into the scenery for a horror movie. According to experts, similar precedents have happened in these places before. Experts suggest that the tragedy could have occurred due to the fact that the fish swam too close to the shore in search of nutrients, as a result of which marine life simply washed ashore. Despite the assumptions of scientists, the authorities still organized a commission to investigate the mass pestilence of fish. According to officials, water and soil samples will be taken to establish the true cause of the incident. And the massive pestilence of fish on the coast in Chile is not the only case of abnormal animal behavior. Argentine firefighters continue to fight devastating wildfires in the Corrientes region, which have already burned more than 3,474 square miles of land. According to local media, in 2 of the 6 major fires that rage in the region, 30% of the localization of the fire was achieved. The province of Corrientes is experiencing a terrible disaster caused by these fires. An earthquake of magnitude 6.2 occurred on the territory of the Indonesian island of Sumatra. The epicenter of the earthquake was located at a distance of 7.5 miles northeast of West Pasaman, West Sumatra at a depth of 6 miles. The shock was felt in nearby settlements. Hurricane wind hit some areas of the city of Johannesburg in South Africa. In the suburbs, a strong wind with gusts of 62 miles per second was recorded, which caused torn roofs from houses, fallen trees. In addition, the strongest wind in the suburbs of Johannesburg destroyed about 1,000 houses. Thanks for watching our channel.